Part 3. Hang on a second. Alright, I'm gonna shut that off now. Yep. There you guys go. I gotta show you something else though before I shut the camera off. Let me go get it quick. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's in here. Alright. This is my fire alarm, but my Everest fire alarm bell. Believe it or not, I'm getting this thing hooked up soon. I took it to Nick's office from Bay County TV. He took it apart. He says it takes a cord. Said I could buy one, right? Well, my aunt's boyfriend's a technician. I mean, electrician. He says he's gonna take it. Next time he comes over, he's gonna take this apart, put a plug in this, plug in, and see if it goes off. If it works, I get to keep the cord, and I'll be testing this bell. I bet this thing's gonna be louder than that fan though, so but you can hear this thing around the house. I would say my fire alarm's set. It's not even funny, but yeah. I'm gonna wrap it up now, and that's it. Bye bye.